He is saying that she has not liked him when last day, she had not liked him even yesterday when he had said in impulsive way, anyway, let me tell you, that my name is Tom. Okay, she is saying that yesterday when she has gone in the room of the white man, and he said in an impulsive way, sentimentally impulsive, offhand, sentimentally, emotionally, that his name was Tom. His name was Tom. Okay, where is the line? Okay, she only bowed her little distant bow. Okay, she bowed before him, and she saw hurt in his eyes, but she saw pain in the eyes of that prisoner of war, but she did not wish to assuage him. Assuage means, my dear, comfort, but she did not want to comfort that man. Okay, she did not want to comfort that man. As for Sadao, every day he examined. As far the matter is concerned about Sadao, he was examining the wound very carefully. The last stitches had been pulled out this morning, and this morning the last stitches means the pieces of thread in Hindi, take, were pulled out this morning, and the young man would in a fortnight be nearly as well as ever, and in 15 days this young man will be recovered, as his condition will be same as he was having in earlier days. Sadao went back to his office and carefully typed a letter to the chief of the police reporting the whole matter. And Sadao went to his office and he typed a letter to the chief of the police, and he has reported, he was reporting everything in this letter. On the 21st day of February, an escaped prisoner was washed up on the shore in front of my house. This was written to the chief of the police that on 21st of Feb, prisoner of war was washed ashore at the doorstep of my house, and so far he typed, and he has written even this, and then he opened a secret drawer on his desk and put the unfinished report in it, and he has opened a drawer. He has opened a drawer and he put the unfinished letter into it. Okay, on the 7th day after that, two things happened. On the 7th day of this incident, two things happened. In the morning, the servants left together. Okay, early in the morning, the work and the house of the Dr. Sadao was left. ठीक ना, or you can say that all the servants left their work, their belongings tied in a large square cotton kerchief, and they have belongings means luggage, kerchief sheet of cloth means they have tied up their luggage in a sheet of cloth. When Haina got up in the morning, nothing was done. When Haina got up early in the morning, she found that no work was done, the house not cleaned and the food not prepared. She knew what it meant. Okay, and she understood what is the meaning of this. What was the meaning of this? She at once understood. She was dismayed. She was disappointed. Yes, she was disappointed and even terrified. She was disappointed. Why she was disappointed? Because the servants had left the job, and she was terrified. Why she was terrified? Perhaps these servants are going to inform all these incidents to the authority. Okay. What are going to happen if these servants will inform to the authority? But her pride as a mistress would not allow her to show it. But she was the mistress of the house, so she has not shown all these things. Instead, she inclined her head gracefully when they appeared before her in the kitchen. Okay, or she bent her head before all of them with the grace in a kind manner. Incline means bent. Okay, when they appeared in the kitchen. kitchen. Okay, means to say she has not got emotional as she started weeping. No, all these things have not happened because she was the mistress of the house and she has not showed all these things. Okay, but with the grace, in a kind manner, she bent before them when they appeared in the kitchen. Okay, and she paid them off and thanked them for all they had done for her. Okay, and all the servants were paid for their work, and she has said them thanks for their work what they have done for her. They were crying, all the servants were crying, but she did not cry. But she did not. How can she cry? Because bhai, she is the mistress of the house, so she is not going to cry. She is not going to cry because she has to show that I am the owner. I am not emotional like you people. I am not emotional like you people. The cook and gardener had served Sadao. The cook and the gardener had served Sadao since he was a little boy in his father's house. Okay, the cook and the gardener were doing service in that house when Sadao was a young boy, little boy, and they are serving from the time of his father. Okay, from the time of his father. Okay, from the time of his father. And Yumi cried because of the children, and Yumi was weeping. And Yumi was weeping for the children. She was grieving that after she had gone, she ran back to Hannah. Okay, and she was so grievous, she was so sorrowful that when she had gone some forward, she again ran and came to Hannah. If the baby misses me too much tonight, send for me, and I am going to my own house, and you know where it is. And Yumi said to Hannah that if the children misses me, if the children miss me, ठीक ना, okay, tonight, तो call for me. I am going to my house, and you know where my house is. Thank you, Hannah said, smiling. But she told herself that she would not send for Yumi. However, the baby cried. Hannah said thank you, but she knew very well that I am not going to call Yumi, whether the baby are crying or not. She made the breakfast and Sadao helped the children. Sadao was looking after the children. Sadao was carrying the children, and the breakfast was made by Hannah. Neither of them spoke of the servants beyond the fact that they were gone. Neither Hannah nor Dr. Sadao has said a single word about the servants as they had gone. But after Hannah had taken morning food to the prisoner, she come back to Sadao. After serving morning food to the prisoner, Hannah came to Sadao. Why is it we cannot see clearly what we ought to do? She asked him. Even the servants see more clearly than we do. Okay, Hannah said to her husband, what is the reason that we the people are not understanding everything so clearly as the servants are understanding it? Okay, what is the reason we are not understanding the fact as clearly as the servants are seeing? Why are we different from other Japanese? What is the reason that we are different from other Japanese? Sadao did not answer. No answer was given by Sadao. But a little later he went into the room where the prisoner was and said briskly. Briskly means in a quick and rude manner. He went into the room of the prisoner and he said in a very rude manner, today you may get on your feet. Today you can stand on your feet. I want you to stay up only 5 minutes at a time, and I want that you can stay up only for 5 minutes at one time. Tomorrow you may try it twice, and tomorrow you can try it for 2 times as long. It would be well that you get back your strength as quickly as possible, and you will get your strength in a short time. He saw the flicker of terror on the young face that was still very pale. He saw the flicker of terror. The flicker means queer, glimpse. He saw a glimpse of fearfulness on the face of that young man, which was very weak. Okay, the boy muttered, evidently The boy muttered evidently. He was determined to say. Okay, the boy muttered evidently. The boy muttered evidently. The boy said something. And he was determined to say, I feel I want to thank you, doctor, for having saved my life. And he said that, doctor, you have saved my life, so I am thanking you. Okay, the boy said that, thank you for saving my life. Don't thank me too early, Sadao said coldly. Sadao said, no, don't thank me too early. Okay, why he is saying that don't thank me too early? Because Sadao wanted to say that I am not confirmed that what I am going to do with you. Okay, don't be confirmed that your life is saved. Okay, so he said, don't thank me so early. He saw the flicker of terror again on the boy's eyes. He saw that there was a glimpse in the eyes of the there was a glimpse of fearfulness or terror in the eyes of that man. Terror as unmistakable as animals. Okay, he was terrified as just like as an animal. Okay, the scars on his neck were crimson. Crimson means deep red, and the scar means the wound which was under the ear on his neck become deep red. Those scars, what were they? Sadao did not ask, but Sadao has not asked about those scars in the okay guys, I think that is sufficient for today. I will deal with the next lines in my next lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.